Hey all, today we're taking a look at this KTC 1440p monitor, so let's unbox it and take a look. So on this layer we have our accessories. We have an HDMI cable, part of the stand, a power adapter, and the base to the stand, which is quite light. We'll open it up, and there's the panel itself. Here are our ports. There is a DC in for the power adapter, DisplayPort, HDMI, a USB port which is labeled service, and an earphone plug, and there seems to also be a Kensington lock. So let's get this onto the stand and take a look. So here's the panel, there's the base, just sits in there like that, and then I think we just slide this on. Flip that around so you can see, but it just slides in there like that. And the panel can rotate a little bit, but there we go. Now I can't tell if there's a protective layer on this screen. I don't think there is, but there is some smudges already on there. So that's interesting, but let's see if we can wipe those off with a microfiber. This came right off. It just looks like some marks from shipping, but no actual issues. So I guess now we'll plug it in. Here's the power adapter. So I have it plugged into my computer, and we can see here it is indeed 1440p. So the next thing we're going to do is just kind of look at it in some different viewing angles, and I'm also going to play a 4K 60 frames per second video, and we're going to look at it in different angles. So this is a test video called Big Buck Bunny, and it is licensed under the Creative Commons license, meaning it is fine for me to use here, and there's some information here about this test footage that we're showing. So it looks very nice. Again, this is a 4K image that's being squished down to this 1440p display. And let's just look at some other viewing angles. So here is what it looks like from this angle. Here's what it looks like from this angle. Here's what it looks like from that angle. And here's what it looks like from that angle. All right, so just let's test the lighting in a few different ways. We'll turn on a front light, and the monitor display is quite bright. There is a reflection showing up in the recording here, but I actually don't really see that in person, so that seems to be more of an artifact of the recording, but it seems all right. So it looks pretty good. And we'll turn on a backlight, and it holds up really well. Again, I know you see a reflection here, but in person, I don't see it, which is just an artifact of the recording. I'm not sure why. But it is holding up really good in brightness. And let me turn on some more lights. I don't see any reflection. This is a very affordable monitor, and I'm really happy. It's already exceeded my expectations of what I expected from it. So what I'm going to do now is put it in vertical orientation because I plan to use this as my secondary screen, and I like having that vertical. So let's just put it onto my VESA mount stand and see how it looks. Okay, so I have this third-party VESA mount, and we're going to attach it now. So let's do that. Okay, so the third-party mount is installed, and now we'll pick it up and then put it on my desk. And this is the orientation I plan on using the display. So here is my existing display, and here is the new KTC monitor. Now this was an upgrade from a 1080p display, and I'm very happy with it. It is doing its job perfectly fine, and I'll be using it as a vertical monitor, mostly for code and chats. So viewing angles are good, it looks good in a vertical orientation, and I'm very happy with it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!